We give every window a beautiful view at Sunburst Shutters.
Hello again, it's Greg and George here. We're with Sunburst and we're going to show you how easy it is to replace a louver pin that is broken on your shutter. So, what's wrong with this picture? A little too much football in the house maybe?
I would think there's some amateur wrestling going on.
Some kind of activity that shouldn't be done by the shutter.
Chances are good.
Good news is we can fix it. Alright, first thing you need to do, tell them what we need to do, George. Get the old pin out of there?
Yeah. The head of the louver pin needs to be removed from the stile. The vertical component on the panel is called the stile. So Greg's going to pop that out using his utility blade.
With an X-Acto knife, you can kind of just pry that out of there. Next thing we need to do is we just need to take the other piece of the louver pin out of the, two ways to do that. You can either do it with, if you get lucky with an X-Acto knife or something, you can just pry that out of there. If it's a little stubborn and that doesn't work, sometimes you might need to go to plan B.
With that then, if you have any in your home, a sharp pointed drywall screw with a pair of vice grips, just clamp that in there. Then you can come at the pin on an angle and push down and in and then wedge it up. And by doing that then, if there is any damage in the louver, it's on the end where you can't see. At that point, you should be able to remove the shaft, the remnant.
So then we just need to replace that. They make these nice little replacement pins that actually are spring-loaded. Okay, so you can put this side into the stile and then you can spring-load it, similar to what they do with the watch band. And what they'll do is you can actually spring-load that pin right back into place. So to replace it in the stile first.
And make sure it goes all the way in.
You can even use the X-Acto knife to depress the pin into itself. Might make that a little bit easier. And there you go. There's your louver replaced.